Okay guys, let's talk about the Tapo C220 where you can insert the SD card. So people don't know where the SD card slot is located. So it's super simple. You just need to grab your camera and you move the lens up, just like so, all the way up. We're gonna see the slot just right here, okay? Close here to the reset button. And then you're gonna grab your card. I have this Lexar card, which is a good one for this camera. It has 32 gigabytes. You can use cards from 8 to 512 gigabytes, right? Then you just insert here, facing up like this. And then you push using your fingernails until you hear a click. There we go. Then you just pull the lens back here. And you're good to go. Basically then you just need to come to your app and format the SD card, okay? So I have more videos here explaining how to format the SD card and how everything works related to the recording. But basically this video is about the Tapo C220 and where you can insert the SD card. So I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.